I know you have come across a Facebook post of somebody that has this kind of font. You can see this nobody is coming to save you. This is my Facebook page. It's quite different from the rest of the post here. You can see there's another one here. Value Mama Academy Digital Business is monetization training, and monetization is different from the rest of the posts. And I have so many of them here that have done a lot of posts that has a quite unique font. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to do that kind of font, okay, so that you be exceptional whenever you are posting on Facebook, especially Facebook. I don't know if it's working with other platform, but I know Facebook very well. So all you have to do is go and copy the text message you want to post. Okay, so in my own case, I've already organized what I want to post on ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna click and get the post here, then copy it, and I bring it here. I just needed some of the text to look quite unique from the regular Facebook posts, from the regular Facebook text. So I'm gonna just go up and then I'll pick the point where I needed to highlight and bold. Okay, so I pick on this, the hidden gold in you. Meanwhile, I have a new book I'll be launching on July 1st. So you can also check the link below the description to pay. It's gonna be a pre-order. Okay, so the book is coming up on 1st of July. So the link will be on the caption, on the description. So click on it and book it on time before the 1st of July. So I have copied the hidden gold, and what I'm gonna do is to go on Google Chrome or any other browser you are using, and you're going to search Facebook front generator. Facebook font generator rather, sorry, Facebook font generator, and anyone you want you can choose. So I'll go with the first one and see what it looks like. What you're gonna do is to paste your own text here, and you can see different font will come up depending on the one you want, depending on the one that is you like. Then you copy it. If you want to copy this one, it's left for you to do though. So I'm gonna check the one I want something simple and unique. I think this is okay for me. Like you can choose any one you want. This thing is free. You're not paying for this. Okay, you can copy or you can cut. Do you get it? I know you get it. So that is it. I think I'm okay with this. So I'm gonna go back to Facebook before I allow my post to go to post it publicly, to publish it. Then I'll go back to the point where I copied it and then paste it back. So this is here. I'll paste it here. Do you see the difference? Okay. And I'm also going to choose other ones, maybe this coming on July. Cut it, then go back here, clean up the ones you did before. Okay, put it here, then look for the one you are gonna copy. I think this is the best. This one is okay. Copy, copy, then paste, paste it here. So depending on you, you can keep doing this over and over around your posts because it gives it a unique look and it makes you look like a big professional. Or like I can also decided to cut out this first part and use a bigger font font use a bigger font Okay, something that is catchy. So when somebody sees it, it is attracted to read through the post, the entire post. Okay, I don't know if this is okay, but let me copy first. Then let me scroll more and see. Okay, let's see. I think this is okay. Then cut, and I'll come back and paste it here. You see that? You can entirely change the whole post with this. I think this is okay, and then I'm gonna click on done, then bring in my picture, and I will send it. Okay, there's a part I needed to do too. I needed to do this part. I needed to do this part. Okay, this is beautiful. And I'm gonna copy. Which one will I pick? I'm gonna pick this one because I need to change the subtitle. I just need to change the subtitle to a different font. A different font. I'm gonna pick and then post this one, then come back for the subtitle. Then go back and get the subtitle. Ah, I lost it. Okay, so let me go back to ChatGPT and get the subtitle because I've lost it in the process. So this is the subtitle. Copy it again. Go back here, paste it. Looking for the one. Okay, let's go. Copy, cut or copy. Do you see how unique it is? And I'm done here. So I'm gonna post. My pictures are here and I'm going to post. And I'm done. So thank you so much for watching. If you watch to the end of this video, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so you know when next I'll post a new video. So see you in the next video.